Hi, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at the Payette River Cabin. We are downstairs, and this will be the tutorial to utilize the television and the cable, and that's provided by Cableone. We have an Xbox 360 as well as a PS station, and I will show you how to utilize the remotes to make certain that you understand the operation of what we have down here. It is a Vizio television, so you have a Vizio remote, and down here you have the Cableone remote. In order to turn on the television, you have the power. So you have television, VCR, cable, and DVD. So if you're pushing the power button and the TV's not going on, make certain that you push the TV button. Now you have the television that's on. In order to turn on the cable, make certain that you push this button, it flashes red, push the power, and then you'll have a blue light that shows up. Cable will now activate once it cycles through. Sometimes it just takes a moment to refresh. As you can see right there, you have a little moment that says it will take just a moment, so please be patient. So in order to change through, from cable to the other options that you have available in the system, right here is the input button. Now this actually goes through, and what you need to do is just continually push this button. So HDMI 1 happens to be cable. So that's the cable. HDMI 2, nothing exists. Then AV1 is the Xbox 360. In here currently we actually have a DVD playing. So you can play PS3 games, not PS3, can't believe I just said that. The Xbox 360 games, as well as watch DVDs. Then when you push the input one more time, and you push it one more time, it'll activate it, and then it'll transition over to the I think it's a PS2, and then you can play the Sony Playstation games. So hopefully that should give you a pretty clear indication as what to do and how to do it with the controls that we have here. So I'm going to cycle down, keep pushing the input button to HDMI 1. Pick up this. So you got the Fox channel. And that would be the operation. So if you have any further questions, if you have any issues that you're unable to figure out on your own, you can go ahead and give us a call in the office. The number there is 208-634-0030.